Fragile data pipelines crashing under load, manual error handling sucking your sprint hours, data quality gaps turning your analytics into guesswork. This skill arms you with Prefect Core's task orchestration, dynamic error recovery strategies, validation loops that auto catch bad data, and seamless Kubernetes, AWS, GCP integrations. Now you can finally fix that works on my machine pipeline. Built for data engineers wrestling with batch jobs, backend devs scaling streaming ETL, ML engineers battling skewed training data, and DevOps teams automating recovery. Because your time's too valuable to waste debugging flaky workflows. Here's what's inside the Building Data Pipeline Prefect skill. Master Prefect Core for DAG-based task orchestration. Design dynamic error handling with retry backoffs and alerting. Implement validation loops that halt bad data midstream. And deploy pipelines on Kubernetes, AWS Batch, or GCP Composer. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples, like auto-scaling Kafka consumers or validating 10 million plus row Parquet files. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your pipelines won't just run, they'll thrive. Installing the Building Data Pipeline Prefect skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-data-pipeline-prefect. That's it. You'll get the complete skill: expert level guidance on SLA monitoring, dynamic task mapping, and cloud native secrets management, plus battle tested code templates. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows Prefect Core, error handling best practices, and how to validate data like a pro. Just don't blame us when your pipeline starts self-healing and your coffee machine starts learning Python.